Hello students, we are studying the chapter indices, and in the previous lecture we have studied 6 laws of indices. 6 laws of indices. So let's recall it. Anything to the power 1, okay, answer is that base itself. Whatever is there in the base, that same answer is there if the power is 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1, whole number 1. Then if base is same and multiplication is there, then we add the powers. And if base is same and division is there, then we subtract the power. For negative power to be done positive, what we do? We take the reciprocal of the base and we apply the power m to the denominator. Negative m का हो जाएगा positive m. Next, if rational number is there and negative power is there, again same rule. Take the reciprocal and make the power positive. Now we are going to study the 7th, 8th and 9th law of indices. Before that, one thing we have to learn. Let's learn, okay? This actually we have done in the previous lecture also, but once again I will explain this. If negative 1 is the base and if index is a whole number, then let's observe. Negative 1 to the power 6 means 6 times negative 1 should be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's make a pairing. Okay. So negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. Negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. And negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. Because negative into negative is positive. So the final answer of this is positive 1. And if power is an odd number, means 5, 7, 3, like that. So when power is odd number, we will get two pairs of negative 1. One pair and second pair. So this negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. Negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. And this negative 1 will remain as it is. Now 1 into 1 is 1. And 1 into negative 1 is negative 1 only. So what do we observe? That when minus 1 is there and power is even number, power index is an even number, then answer is 1, means answer is positive. And if power is an odd number, index is an odd number, then answer is negative. So this I have told you in the previous lectures also, that if power is even number and base is negative, then answer is positive. And if power is odd number, then answer is negative for negative numbers. Understood? Now let's see the new law of indices. Now observe this example. 2 into 3 whole to the power 4. ये 2 को अलग नहीं है, 3 को अलग नहीं है. 2 into 3 है और उसका power 4 है. So let's expand it. Power 4 means what? Whatever is the base, that we have to multiply 4 times. So this is the base. This we have to multiply 4 times. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Now write all the 2 together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. And write all the 3's together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 multiplied by itself 4 times means 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 multiplied by itself 4 times means 3 raised to the power 4. Now observe this line and the final answer. So what do you observe? That the power which is outside the bracket, it is applied to both the numbers in the bracket. मतलब ये जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर इंडेक्स है, ये इन दोनों को सेपरेटली अप्लाई हो जाता है. सो एवरी टाइम नो नीड टू डू दीज 2 steps. Directly if a question is like this, then we can write its simplification like this. ब्रैकेट के बाहर पावर है मतलब वो पूरी ब्रैकेट का है, मतलब ब्रैकेट के अंदर के हर मेंबर का है. ब्रैकेट में 2 मेंबर्स है, सो दिस पावर बिलोंग्स टू 2 ऑल्सो एंड 3 ऑल्सो. नाउ वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. If the power is there for a bracket, then you have to take the care that the sign inside the bracket is multiplication. Only for multiplication you can separate the powers, and for division you can separate the powers. Okay, ब्रैकेट को अगर पावर है तो वो ब्रैकेट के अंदर के हर मेंबर का होता है, पर ये कब ट्रू होता है? जब ब्रैकेट के अंदर मल्टीप्लिकेशन या फिर डिवीजन है. ऑब्जर्व दिस एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिवीजन. 4/5 पावर 3 means 4/5 into 4/5 into 4/5 means numerator into numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator into denominator. But 3 times 4 means 4 to the power 3, and 3 times 5 means 5 to the power 3. तो डिवीजन में भी ये पावर सेपरेट हो जाता है. ब्रैकेट को है मतलब 4 का भी है और 5 का भी है. पर अगर आपको ऐसा दिखता है एडिशन, सो दिस यू कैनॉट राइट लाइक दिस. दिस इज रॉन्ग. This rule is applicable only for multiplication and for division, and the proof of this formula is this explanation. Okay, we have proved it that in multiplication and division the powers can be separated for both the bases. So what we have learned, if multiplication is there and 2 separate numbers are there and single power is there for both the numbers, then it can be applied to both of them separately. Understood? And same is the case of division. A upon B whole to the power m means A also has power m upon B also has power m. Understood? Now the last rule of indices. A to the power m to the power n, मतलब एक बेस है उसको कुछ तो भी पावर है और ये पूरे को एक और पावर है, मीन्स 2 powers are there to the same base. So how to solve this? One example we will take. 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. It means that 5 to the power 2 is taken 3 times. So 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2. Now base is same and multiplication is there. So add the powers. 5 to the power 2 plus 2 plus 2. But same number is added 3 times means 2 into 3. And answer is 6. So answer of this is 5 raised to the power 6. Now observe these two. तो जब डबल पावर था तो हमने क्या किया? 2 into 3. मतलब ये बीच वाली स्टेप्स हर बार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये स्टेप्स से ही हमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन मिलता है. नाउ ऑब्जर्व दिस. -7 टू द पावर -2 टू द पावर -5. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको पॉजिटिव करेंगे. तो ये जो बेस है उसको 1 के नीचे लिखा और 5 जो निगेटिव था वो पॉजिटिव हो गया. रेसिप्रोकल वी हैव टेकन ऑफ दिस बेस. नाउ 5 पावर इज देयर मीन्स 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस बेस. जो भी बेस में है उसको 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो वी राइट लाइक दिस. नाउ अगेन मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज देयर एंड बेस इज सेम. That means -2 plus -2 plus -2 plus -2 plus -2. Now 5 times addition of same number means that number multiplied by 5 means 1/7 to the power -10. Now how to make negative as positive? Take the reciprocal and write the positive power to that base. तो 1/7 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है? 7. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई 7 टू द पावर पॉजिटिव 10. अब ये इतना सब करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, सिर्फ इसको ऑब्जर्व करो. -5 इंटू -2 इज़ +10. तो ये आंसर डायरेक्टली भी आ सकता है. नो नीड टू डू ऑल दिस स्टेप्स. सो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? दैट इफ a हैज़ 2 powers then multiply the powers with itself. m into n, a raised to the power m into n. So this is the 9th law of indices. If 2 powers are there for one base, then write that base and multiply the powers. So m into n, or you can write as mn. So now let's begin the practice set based on these 3 laws of indices. First one, double power is there. Write the base and multiply the powers. So 15/12 raised to the power 3 4s are 12. Understood? Double power is there, then multiply. So here 3 raised to the power 4 into -2 means 3 raised to the power -8. 4 2s are 8, minus into plus minus. And if you have to write it as positive, then 1/3 raised to the power 8. You can keep like this also, or you can do one extra step. Okay. Now 1/7 -3 into 4. Double power is there, multiply that. Now -3 into 4 is -12. 3 4s are 12. Negative into positive, negative. Now negative power is there, so how to make it positive? Reciprocal of 1/7, 7, and power will become positive. रेसिप्रोकल लेना और वो जो नंबर है उसको पावर पॉजिटिव करके लगा देना है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, 2/5 -2 into -3. -2 into -3. So 2/5 raised to 6. 2 3s are 6. Negative into negative is positive. Next, 6 raised to the power 5 into 4 means 6 raised to the power 20. 5 4s are 20. Now the next one, 6/7 raised to the power 5 into 2. That means 6/7 raised to the power 10. 5 2s are 10. Next, 2/3 -4 into 5 means 2/3 raised to the power -20. नेगेटिव का पॉजिटिव करेंगे तो फर्स्ट टेक रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस. 2/3 का 3/2 raised to the power 20. Next, 5/8 raised to the power 3 into -2 means 5/8 raised to the power -6. और इसको पॉजिटिव करना है तो 8/5 raised to the power 6. Reciprocal of this number. Next, 3/4 6 into 1. 6 1s are 6. So 3/4 raised to the power 6. Remember that if fraction is there and if bracket is there in the question, then in the answer also you have to give bracket. अभी हमने सीखा है कि ब्रैकेट में अगर डिवीजन है और उसको अगर पावर है तो ये पावर दोनों का होता है. इफ़ यू राइट लाइक दिस 3/4 raised to the power 6, if you forget to give the bracket, the meaning of this is that 6 is the power of 3 and 4 does not have any power. पर इसमें और इसमें बहुत फ़र्क है. इसमें ब्रैकेट का पावर है, मतलब ये 3 का भी है और 4 का भी है. अगर आप ब्रैकेट देना भूल गए तो इसका मतलब हो जाएगा कि आपको सिर्फ 3 को पावर लगाना है, 4 में कोई पावर ही नहीं है. सो इज इट ट्रू? नो. इन क्वेश्चन 4 इज हैविंग द पावर 6. So in answer also you have to give the bracket. This is wrong. Now the last one. 2 upon 5 negative 3 into 2. So 2 upon 5 3 2s are 6 and negative 6. इसको पॉजिटिव करेंगे तो 5 upon 2 raised to the power 6. Understood? Now the second question. Write the following numbers using positive indices. Positive indices means take reciprocal, power becomes positive. Take reciprocal, power becomes positive. Again, reciprocal of 1 upon 6 is 6 and power becomes positive. Here, sorry, not y. 1 upon y raised to the power 4, or this can be written as 1 upon y raised to the power 4. Why I have written like this? Here 4 is the power for 1 also and y also, but 1 to the power 4 is 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only, and y raised to the power 4 is y raised to the power 4. तो ये 4 मैंने दोनों में लगाया. जब 1 में लगाया तो आंसर 1 ही आता है, और जब y में लगाएंगे तो वो ऐसे दिखेगा, y raised to the power 4. Understood? So here we complete the practice set based on the laws of indices. So you have to solve this practice set in your notebook 29, and also you have to make a list of the laws of indices. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and you have to learn these laws. Learn means what? Just don't learn like this. You should be able to apply it. Understood? So how you will learn this? Anything to the power 1 is that base. Anything to the power 0 is 1. Base is same, multiplication is there, so add the powers. Base is same, division is there, subtract the powers. Base is having negative power, so take the reciprocal and power becomes positive. Again, rational number is there, negative power is there, take reciprocal, power becomes positive. If multiplication is having a common power, then that power belongs to both the numbers. Means A also has power m multiplied by B also has power m. And same thing happens in division. If division is having power m in common, then that power belongs to A also and B also. And if any base has double power, then you have to multiply that powers and keep that base as it is. So these are the 9 laws of indices. In the next lecture, we will begin with finding the square root of a perfect square. Okay, thank you.